Hello, Marian High School. My name is Father Karl Finkbeiner, and I'm really blessed to be the new chaplain here as we begin this new school year together. As we prepare to journey through the year as a school and as a community of faith, we're invited to ponder this theme that we are loved beyond measure and called by name. And so to help us to recognize what this means for us, let's hear from the sacred scriptures from the Gospel of John. Mary Magdalene stood weeping outside the tomb, and as she wept, she stooped to look into the tomb. She saw two angels in white sitting where the body of Jesus had lain, one at the head and one at the feet. They said to her, "Woman, why are you weeping?" She said to them, "They have taken away my Lord, and I do not know where they have laid him." Having said this, she turned around and saw Jesus standing, but she did not know that it was Jesus. Jesus said to her, "Woman, why are you weeping? Whom are you seeking?" Supposing him to be the gardener, she said to him, "Sir, if you have carried him away, tell me where you have laid him, and I will take him." Jesus said to her, "Mary." She turned and said to him in Aramaic, "Rabboni." Mary Magdalene went and announced to the disciples, "I have seen the Lord," and that he had said these things to her. We find Mary Magdalene a couple days after the death of Jesus in a state of despair until she hears her name spoken in love by Jesus. I pray that all of us this year can hear Jesus speak our names personally and be transformed by realizing how deeply he loves us. I look forward to being on this journey with you, and just know that I'm here to help you in prayer and in life in any way that you may need it in the year ahead. God bless you.